Hi everyone. This question today now, okay, I'm just going to give a very quick video to run through it. I have the question done already, okay. It's the question on page 244, question number 1. And today we're only going to be looking at doing A, B and C, which is an elevation, an in view and a plan, okay. So, let's move this away. So, the question, as I said, I have it done already. It's very basic really, okay. The hardest part of this question is part D, which we'll do later in the week, okay. So this is my elevation here, A. My starting point is down 175 and it's in from the right hand side 150. We have to keep it kind of over to the right hand side of the sheet. It's the bottom left hand corner, okay. So as usual, I kept 20 millimeters between A and B, and as a consequence of that, at 45 degrees you're going to have the same distance to C, okay. If I'm doing this question, guys, I think the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw from my starting point, okay. You won't get all the measurements, you know, you won't have this height here until you draw this angle here at 30 degrees, okay. You won't have these divisions for the steps for S until you draw this angle here, okay. So don't be worried. So for instance, if you're starting part A, don't be worried that you can't finish it. Get as much done as you can, put in light lines, obviously, okay. So, you know, this distance here is 15. Each one of these for height, they're 15, 15, 15. Put them in light, you have the overall length as well. Move on to the next part B then. Again, you're going to have some of the measurements. Actually, I think for part B, you'll have all the measurements. Very simple, really, okay. Once you get this drawn in, you can bring this back across to put in this division here, okay. And then, as usual, you bring everything down to part C. Now, part D, the question, you know, it's asked in the higher level paper a lot anyway. Draw an auxiliary elevation, the entire solid, which will show the true shape of surface S, which is here. I have it drawn in pink on my drawing, okay. So what we'll be doing, and I'll do that in a video later in the week, is we'll be projecting, okay, this angle here, that is part S, okay. S is in there, okay, that's S. We're going to be projecting all the way towards the top left hand side of the sheet. Hopefully we have enough room in our sheet to get it done, okay. So for today, all I want you to get done before the next class is get A, B and C done using my starting point, which is down 175 and it's in 150 from the right hand side. Thank you.